juice and start screaming. Dun 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 dun.
Grape juice. And today we are playing with the Play-Doh
Again.
factory.
I hope you saw our other video. I said love you, bye.
So we have a messy table with all our utensils. And on display we have, what do we have?
Some hot dogs.
Purple ones with green hot dogs. What do we have on the next one, Josh? Carrots. And on the next plate we have some peas. And the next one?
Spaghetti.
Purple spaghetti. What do we have on the next plate?
Swirling orange and grape flavor delicious ice cream.
Oh wow. And on this last one, what do we got here?
Some carrot cake.
Monster carrot cake.
You skipped a food.
Hi, I'm delicious. Take a bite.
And we have right here
Some
an
delicious candies.
ice cream cone with grape and orange flavor. And so here are the artists, the creators of all these Play-Doh food. Oh, and she made a green spinach cake. And so there are more ideas for the things that you can make. Spiders, twizzlers, slide shapes, fishes, butterflies. And see you next time.
We all hope you like this video. Stay cool.